I'm going to show you real quick how to change your in-cabin air filter. First, get all your stuff out of here. You'll see it's in this compartment right here. So you just put your hand right here, pop this thing up, get it out of the way. You'll see a little clip right here. You'll push that towards the front of the car. Pull it out. There's your access. One on this side, one on, oh, just this one. You'll see how bad this one actually was. Nasty. Grab a new one. Slide it right in. Just as easy as that. Done.